Today, you will learn how to add an image as a header in Word. First, click the Insert tab, then click Header. Choose any header style you like. I'll select the first blank header. If you see sample text and you only want an image, simply select the text and press Delete. Now click inside the header where you want the picture to appear. On the Header and Footer tab, click Pictures to insert an image from your computer, or choose Online Pictures if you want to use an image from the web. Select your picture and click Insert. If the image is too large or too small, drag the corner handles to resize it while keeping the proportions. To place the image on your desired place, select the Layout option and choose In Front of Text. Now you can place the image as you like. When you're happy with the result, double-click anywhere in the main document or click Close Header and Footer to finish. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.